Hi guys, Sean with MarineMax Palm Beach, and today I'm going to take you through this nice Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. Right off the bat, I want to point out this nice starboard dive door that they have. Really thick, really nice stainless on both ends. You know, Whaler always goes and overbuilds everything so they last for a long time. Nice feature with this dive door is once you're at the dock, makes it easy on and off the boat. And while you're fighting fish, easy to bring it in as well instead of trying to go through the transom. On the back of this 325, we do have twin 300 V8s, which are really torquey engines, straight out the hole, really nice, and you have a really nice cruise around 35 miles an hour as well. Really spacious cockpit here. So yes, we have the cabin, the cockpit, and everything back there where the helm's at, but nice area to fight a fish as well back here. You have the space to go from left to right of the boat, you know, back, forward. And when you're not fishing, we do have nice bench seats right here, so you can enjoy while at the sandbar, one aft and one on the port side that just stow right there. And then when you're out fishing, just lift these up, bring back down. And as I said before, really nice thick hardware on the stainless with Whaler. Now you see this ladder right here. Easy access for your ladder for the dive door when you're at the sandbar or a dive location, whichever you're at. Stick it right there. You can come on and off the boat really easy. This boat is equipped with the table as well in the cockpit. We lift this up. You can see the table stores really nicely right here. One thing to know with Whaler is all their mechanical items, serviceable items, are going to be right here in the back. So you're not going to be running around the boat trying to chase a pump down, where this is at, where that is at. Anything that has to do with mechanical, through holes and everything, is going to be right here. Easy access for serviceable. Makes it really nice on owner's end as well. Coming here, we have our seat that you can face forward or push it over, bring this backrest down. Now you have an aft facing seat. Pull this out. This is equipped with the summer kitchen feature, which includes the grill right here and a little cuddy right here for your utensils as well. Down below, let's say you're here at the aft facing seat. Once you sit on here, you have a nice footrest as well. Lift this up, close it. All storage, you can do it for your tackle storage, or like we have here, all our lines, and then the one below as well. We do have starboard and port side fish boxes. And then moving into the cockpit, nice little sink right here, fridge, and then we have a nice wooden table right here that also adjusts up and down, so when you want to sit there, use it. And when you're not using the table, bring it all the way down low like this, move this over. Now you have a forward facing seat right here as well. Coming over to the helm, this is a really nice area too, because on this Simrad display we have a twin 12-inch which you can put your chart on. Then this does have the Boston Whaler digital switching, so you can do whatever you want, like a night navigation mode. It turns all the night lights on, and then night entertainment. So as you can see on the hardtop already, brings up our map light on red, or you can do all off, which brings everything. So you notice we had the aft sunshade out. Once we do master off, it's gonna put everything in the stow position. So sunshades, lights, anything you need on a typical day out, so you have to do less. We got all our main switches up here as well, and then we do have the forward port events that is famous for Whaler. This boat is equipped with joystick handling right here, which is a really nice feature on these boats. And now let's take a look at the cabin. Now we're down in the cabin of the 325 Conquest. You can see it has a really nice oval shaped teak table, nice finish, that once you want to come in as well, sit down easily, move around, and then fold it back out. Now this table does drop right here by the handle, So you can go halfway down, you get a filler cushion, and this becomes a nice V berth as well. We have a 24-inch TV in here, and then as you can see in the aft cabin, that's where we have all the filler cushions and the isinglasses for the back. That's also a berth down there with privacy curtains. Over here we have a Canyon induction cooktop, nice sink, microwave, and all our switchings right here. We do have a Westerbeek generator on board for the AC and all your good grills and induction cooktops and fridges. And then we got our JL audio display and your AC control panel. You have a Simrad handheld remote right there, and then one up top as well. Plenty of storage all around this boat. We have storage underneath all these seats and then cabinets right here. And on this boat you do have a wet head with your toilet right there, and then it's a faucet and shower head combo that you pull the faucet out, hook it up on there, and then you can go ahead and shower. On this 325 Conquest by Boston Whaler, we do have an open array Simrad radar system, really great for fishing, as well as 2 outriggers. So this boat is rigged up ready for fishing. Call us today here at MarineMax Palm Beach.